Imagine 90 days from now without memorizing a single grammar rule, you are able to have a real conversation in English. Sounds impossible, right? That is because everyone taught you that learning English means memorizing rules, weird vocabulary lists, and passing exam. But I want to prove something to you. You never learned your native language from a grammar book. You learned it by listening and repeating. That is the exact same path every child on this planet uses to learn how to speak. In this 90 days course, we are going to follow that exact same natural path. Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Real World. This course is built for complete beginners. Even if you do not know a single word of English today, you are in the right place. The rule of this course is simple. There is only one thing I need from you. Listen and repeat out loud. I will say a sentence in English. Pause for a few seconds, and in that moment, you repeat it out loud, not in your head, not under your breath, out loud. Why am I so insistent on saying it out loud? Because learning a language does not just happen in your brain. It happens in your mouth. Your mouth and tongue muscles need to get used to a new way of speaking, just like learning an instrument or driving a car. Your body does not learn it until you actually do it. Also, when you repeat a sentence out loud, your brain does not store it as dry theoretical information. It stores it as a real experience. And unlike dry facts, experiences stick in long-term memory much faster and much deeper. So starting right now, make yourself one rule. Every sentence you hear, repeat it out loud without hesitation, even if your accent is not perfect, even if you get it wrong. Making mistakes is part of the process. Ready? Let's get started. Hello. Hello, Jim. Hello. How are you? How? You are. In English, in many cases, to make a sentence a question, we just swap the places of the subject and the verb, meaning the first two words of the sentence. So, listen carefully and repeat after me. Are you? How are you? I am. I am. You are. Hello, how are you? Fine. I am fine. I am. I'm fine. Thanks. Hello, Joe. How are you? I'm fine. Thanks. From Spain. From Spain. You are from Spain. Are you from Spain? You are from Spain. I am from Spain. I'm from Spain. Yes. Are you from Spain? Yes, I'm from Spain. And yes, I'm from Spain. And you? And hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks.
Okay.
And you? I'm fine too. I'm from Spain too. Are you from Spain? Are you from Spain too? No. Are you from Spain? No, I'm not. I'm not from Spain. Are you from Spain too? No, I'm not from Spain. Canada. I'm from Spain. I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada too. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. Are you from Spain? Yes, I'm from Spain. And you? Are you from Spain too? No, I'm not from Spain. I'm from Canada. You are from Canada. You are. You're. You are. You're from Canada. Hello. Are you from Iran? How are you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Are you from Canada? Yes, I am. Are you from Canada too? No, I'm from Spain. I'm not from Canada. Are you from Spain too? No, I'm from Canada. You're from Spain too. Are you from Iran? Yes, I'm from Iran. And you? Are you from Iran too? No, I'm not from Iran. I'm from Canada. Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Are you from Spain? Yes, I'm from Spain. And you? Are you from Spain too? No, I'm not from Spain. I'm from Canada. Now, let's listen to a conversation. No need to repeat. Just listen carefully. Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Are you from Iran? Yes, I'm from Iran. And you? Are you from Iran too? No, I'm not from Iran. I'm from Canada. Listen again. Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Are you from Iran? Yes, I'm from Iran. And you? Are you from Iran too? No, I'm not from Iran. I'm from Canada. Great job. Thank you so much for listening to this episode. If repeating the sentences felt hard, make sure to listen to it a few more times today until you feel comfortable with the full sentences and you are ready for the next episode. Please trust this method. After a few days, you will start noticing real progress in your speaking. See you next time. Goodbye.